Okay, it's 11th of April. My name's Rudy. I'm hoping you're a first time viewer to the channel. If you're an existing subscriber, you won't be learning anything new. So I was sort of just clocked over 1 year on YouTube. Got a few, or three model portfolios going. So whether you're inside of super or outside of super, SMS or just retail with Australian Super, go member direct. I started the channel because when I retired, started watching YouTube and all these people saying all you need is VGS. I just got sick of it, and so I decided to start my own YouTube channel. So the first, so it's I guess the first model portfolio, which is just ASX ETFs. So we started just over a year ago with 100 grand. So you can see here we basically did 5 lots of 20 into miners, the global gold wire, the copper miners, URNM, food and fuel. Now I didn't go all on the 1st of April, and I won't do this just for this portfolio. I'll show you, I guess, what I'm on about, because I used charts basically to invest in ETFs and shares. So miners was the first one. So we're back here. So you can see we've just broken out of this very long resistance level. So just on here, that was our first purchase of miners. What else? Then we had wire. So the global copper miners. So again, we had a bit of a declining channel / wedge. So we picked up 20k worth of wire there. Then we URNM, so your uranium miners. So we picked them up on a test of a double bottom, just here. Food. There's food. Okay, so food we picked up here. Just a nice declining wedge here, which is on the break, and we've actually have exited this one, but I'm not telling you what we've moved into. And what was the other one? Fuel. So fuel, which is your big global oil and gas players. Okay, so we picked up fuel just here on the 10th of June, and we've actually just exited fuel that made its measured move. So we've picked some other ladies, I refer to them. We sort of keep them mean, keep them keen attitude in investing here. We don't fall in love. You'll get used to it if you join. All right, so that's so that portfolio there is essentially so we started back on the 1st of April, so we're up 78%. So if you know, VGS or VAS, VHG, they all do the same thing, 8-10%, whatever. So 10% per annum. So you can be sitting in 78. Now at the same time, I also kicked off, and I know a lot of people don't do, but a US ETFs. Version. So we've gone a bit because there's a lot more opportunity over there. We get down to we started selling there. So just So basically so 100 grand, but because there's more things, we could split them up. In Australia, there's a handful of resource. I'm also very resource focused for the next 10 years. It's where you want to be. Gold, silver, uranium. Gold started it. Anyway, so with the GDXJ, so gold miners, silver miners. We only recently got the silver miners ETF on the ASX. A bit of platinum, palladium, a bit of rare earths. We don't even have one on the ASX. Some lithium miners, we don't have one on the ASX. URNJ. So we have seniors. We have URNM. This is the mid-tier player, so this has like your palladiums in it. Whereas URNM just has your Kazas, the big boy, and Kamiko. And same with GDXJ. We just have GDX. So GDXJ is the next level down, although this is the type of fund that has Northern Star in it, not Newmont or Barrick. Emerging markets, so you can get something like that here in Australia. COPJ, so again we get Wire, but this is the junior miners, but they're not junior, these have got like our Sandfire and DVP in them, whereas Wire has your big ones. And we've got XCS, which is, I'm showing you some action there. Some XCS, this was actually a more recent one of the more recent ones. We had actually sold. Well, here we go, so we can see. I sold in emerging markets and bought XCS on the 5th of February. It's a oil and gas equipment and services. You haven't got that on the ASX. It's got nothing like it. Anyway, I won't go through all their charts, but they're all picked on the same sort of reasoning. So it's up 210. So obviously it's going to... Now the Aussie dollar's gone up 10% or so, so it's pulled the return down, but again, it's a lot higher than 11%. And then because everyone was getting really excited, people like are just sitting in a retail super fund, like you're sitting in your Australian super high growth fund, taking 8-10%. Yeah. The Rooster, he doesn't like that, so on the 1st of July last year, we basically started a member direct super portfolio. So a lot of funds do it. Host Plus, I think, do it as well. Anyway, you can buy from the ASX 300. So here's what we started off with, a bit of GDX. So you can see gold miners have been a favourite. ETP Mag, bit of silver, bit of Whirly, bit of South 32, bit of Linus, bit of Palladium, bit of Woodside, bit of Pilbara, bit of BHP. So we kicked them off last year, and then we've only just started. So we've done a bit of rotation, but that's secret sauce. So we sold Liners, and we've bought some other things. So if we go, so how's that going? So it's only been since 1 July, and performance was that all time? So it's only from 1 July. It's not a bad effort though, up 86%, and your high growth super funds up 3.6%. All right, so yeah, I'm hoping you're new. If you're old, you can leave a message saying it's full of shit. Otherwise, yeah, join $10 a month is all it is. ASX US ETFs, We do daily vids on the market. So whether you, I'm finding most people that are subscribed are joining it are in that phase of, so not a novice. They've come out of novice into learning stuff and into becoming nearly there. And then there's a little bit of guys that know what are really experienced. So if that's how you see yourself, in that you want to do something more than just tick a box 8%, then yeah, join the channel. It's not going to cup of coffee. All right then, see ya.